A spotlight has been thrown on Britain's glass ceiling after all the UK's biggest companies raced to meet a midnight deadline on Wednesday to publish their gender pay gaps. The results pointed to Europe's largest bank. HSBC reported the biggest difference in male and female salaries, 59%. Next was Virgin Atlantic, then Barclays.
It's everywhere. It's everywhere. I really can't recall or think of any industry which doesn't have this kind of a gap.
It's about empowering women to be able to rise up the ranks within those organisations, and I think in doing that then we get more equality.
Barclays admitted it has more work to do. Virgin Atlantic said the gap reflected a low number of female pilots, while HSBC said it was already confident in its approach to pay. Reuters analysed new figures from just under 500 companies. The average pay gap was 15.5%, and an underwhelming 3% of them paid women more than men. But because firms don't have to break down their data, critics say figures could obscure or exaggerate demographic explanations for gaps.
If there is a pay gap, it's not saying that a company is paying women less for the same job. What it's saying is that that company employs more lower paid women, and its higher paid jobs are held by men. That doesn't mean that the companies don't have a problem, but it's important to understand exactly what it's telling us.
Other countries will follow suit, including Australia and Germany. The British government hopes it will highlight gender discrimination and force companies into action.